Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch and I'm going to show you how to do a couple of basic cuts using the GTS10XC 10-inch table saw. Task first of all is to cut this piece of material down to 50 centimetres wide. It's a little bit too wide, so I want to do a rip cut on there. But before making any cuts at all, we need to set the blade cutting depth correctly. So I'm going to use an off-cut of this material against the blade. Okay, put it against the blade there, and we can see here that that blade is far too deep, far too high for use with this particular material. This will produce a more ragged cut, it'll put more load on the motor, and it'll actually require more feed pressure if you misadjust the blade like this. So we turn this down, okay, with the handle on the front. This is pretty conventional stuff. Turn the blade down. The idea is that you should have a tooth really free of the cut. Okay, so there should be a tooth maybe 4 to 5 millimeters more than you need. And that's about correct really. Okay, it gives you a nice gentle cutting angle through the wood and nice easy feeding and good blade life as well. So having adjusted the depth correctly, just put the guard down out of the way, and then we'll set the thing up to do the cut. Now if we want a 50 centimetre wide cut, obviously we do have a limit here on the table as you see it right now and the parallel fence. So we're going to need to use the extension feature here. We push this lever down, we can pull the extension out. Sorry, it was loose already, so the lever comes up to unlock the table and down to lock it in position. This parallel fence here, by the way, is a now fairly common sight on Bosch table saws. The old GTS10 had it. This is a patented design. It's called square lock, and to adjust this, just to show you, all you need to do is loosen this lever, okay, and then slide the fence back and forth. Don't be tempted to hold it here or further out, because the guide will actually sort of jam and move out of alignment. It's all about moving it back and forth on the front here only. When you've got the adjustment that you need, which just putting this back to 33.5, okay, as before, lock it down with this lever. It's a patented design. The two clamps, back and front, clamp simultaneously, and the idea is that when you put the lever down, it's absolutely parallel and ready to go. So it's a straightforward rip cut, and obviously that's the sort of stuff that table saws really do very well compared with a miter saw or even a handheld circular saw.